Good morning, Evan. How you doing today?
Good, man. How are you?
Fantastic, bud. What are we doing out here?
Skydiving.
No way. Is that why they got you in this fancy harness?
Absolutely.
Sweet.
Absolutely.
Is there any special reason for jumping out of a plane today?
Late Valentine's Day gift.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so that one over there.
Hey there. Is this your first time jumping too? Awesome. Here in a few minutes, we're gonna go head out to the plane, fly all the way up to 13,500 feet, jump out of that plane, and then we'll be free falling back towards the ground at over 120 miles an hour.
Sounds good.
Anything you want to say to friends and family before we go?
Don't kill me. Bye-bye. Sorry.
It's too much paperwork anyway. Welcome back.
Yeah, dude.
How was that, bud?
That was the most fun thing I've ever done in my life.
Great way to spend Valentine's Day.
Holy shit, that was awesome.
So tell me, what went through your mind when you first jumped out of that airplane?
It's colder than I expected.
It's chilly up there, right? 13,000 feet.
Yeah. Other than that, man, we just immediately went quick.
Awesome. Here comes Jordan right here. Woo! So you think you'll do it again one day?
Absolutely.
Awesome, man.
Yeah. I don't know if we get you in trouble. You let me hold the, what do you call them, like the ring? Toggles. The what? The toggles. The toggles.
Nice.
Man, that was the most fun thing I've ever done.
Fantastic, bud. Thank you for choosing Skydive DeLand. We hope to see you again.
Thank you.